In this video, we're going to talk about how to get 4 pictures aligned or next to each other or in a nice aligning to each other in Word. This can be done on MacBooks, it can be done on Windows computers, it doesn't matter. So let's delete all of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert and you can choose for a table. Then you pick 4. You can also pick 6, but we're now focusing on 4. Then you select everything, go to start and make sure that your text is always in the center because you want it pretty aligned. You're going to stand on one of the tables and then you click on insert again, click on illustrations, click on images, click on images from source, and then click on the image on your laptop or PC, whatever you want. So I'm making it smaller by this. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy and paste it, copy and paste it, copy and paste it. And now the image is everywhere at the same height, the same length, the same size, and it's just pretty aligned. So, but now I want to remove those lines. I'm gonna step on the box right here, tap on it, go to table, and then it says border in English over here. Then you go here to borders, click on none, click on OK or done, and your borders are done. So this is the fastest way to get the pictures pretty aligned in your Word doc. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.